Want to cut out this woman here on the right. We just want to cut out this woman on the right. So what we need to do is just to crop the image. Hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can cut out an image on Canva. So without further ado, I don't want to waste your time. I'm just going to tell you right ahead. You need Canva Pro for this one, but no, you're not wasting your time clicking on this video, because if you go down to the link down below, you will see that there is a link that you can click to access Canva Pro free trial for 30 days using our link. Yes, you don't have to pay anything. 30 days for free. Before the deadline arrives, you can always cancel the subscription. But of course, you will be needing your credit card information to log in into that, as always, like Netflix or other subscription. But, you know, you will get 30 days to access the features of Canva, such as the elements that we have here that are pro, or the apps here that can only be used by pro, or the logos, or the frames, or the effects, or the fonts. Yeah, exactly, the fonts over here. Scroll down a bit farther. Boom! See all those crowns? You need Pro for that. So yeah, go ahead and try out Canva Pro. I'm not gonna waste your time. Anyways, let's get back to the video. So how do you actually cut out an image in Canva Pro? Okay, you need Canva Pro for this one. This does not work without Canva Pro. But just a secret for you guys. I have a what do you call this? A secret. I have a method that you can use to cut out images on Canva without having to get Canva Pro. Just kidding. No, you need Canva Pro for this one. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's get an element or a picture for this one. Let's go to photos over here, and we need to cut out something, right? For example, let's say this photo here of 3 people, and we want to cut out this woman here on the right. We just want to cut out this woman on the right. So what we need to do is just to crop the image to make sure that it's just left on the woman here. Okay, so we just want the woman here. We can enlarge this to fill her all over the photo, and then we can go to background remover over here, just like that, and voila! You wait for a few seconds until it clears out, because it's processing the picture, and you will get a high quality cut out of the photo just like that. Amazing, isn't it? Right? And then you can even go to elements here again, go back to photos, add this picture of lightning if you want. Put this behind your photo, put it to back, and as you can see, we have a woman with a drink in front of a lightning, right? That's so cool. And we can even add text now. Add text from our Canva Pro here. Sorry guys, I'm just having so much fun. So yeah, we can put this here. Woman in front of lightning. You can turn it to white too, the color. Add some effects, maybe some like that. Lift. Hey yo, Canva Pro. So that's it. That's how you can cut out an image using Canva Pro. You're gonna be needing the background remover. You can even access it through the apps over here. Yeah, the apps here. But easy way is just to click on the element and just click on the background remover that they have already put on top of here on your user interface. So without further ado, that's it. That is how you can cut out an image in Canva. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please.